بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم.
Surah Al-Alaq. In the name of God, the most gracious, the ever merciful. Read out to them, O Prophet, in the name of your Lord who has created a human being from a clot of congealed blood. Read out to them, and in reality, your Lord is the most bounteous. He taught this Quran by the pen. He gave a human being in it that knowledge which he knew not.
كلا إن الإنسان ليطغى أن رآه استغنى إن إلى ربك الرجعى.
Whatever frivolous talk they indulge in against it is baseless, O Prophet. By no means. Man is surely being rebellious, as he has considered himself self-sufficient. Undoubtedly, to your Lord will he one day have to return.
أرأيت الذي ينهى عبدا إذا صلى أرأيت إن كان على الهدى أو أمر بالتقوى أرأيت إن كذب وتولى ألم يعلم بأن الله يرى.
Have you seen him who forbids a servant of God when he offers a prayer? Just consider if this servant happens to be on the right path or urges others to piety. Just see if this wretch is the one who has denied and turned away. Did he not know that God is watching?
كلا لئن لم ينته لنسفعا بالناصية ناصية كاذبة خاطئة فليدع ناديه سندع الزبانية.
This is nothing, by no means. If he does not desist, we shall drag him by the forelock, a lying sinful forelock. Then let him call his companions. We shall summon our guards.
كلا لا تطعه واسجد واقترب.
By no means. Heed him not and bow down in prostration, and in this manner draw near me.